$100 is worth currently over 140,000 naira. In today's video, I will show you one simple, easy way that you can make between $60 to $100 in the next few weeks. This is money you earn while sleeping. You don't even need to do so much. That is why I'm super excited to teach you this. You know what I do. Class is in session. Grab your notebook. Let us get into the main meat of the day. This 2024, I'm telling you, is our money year. I want you to learn the things that I teach you. This channel is a life-changing channel. So write it in the comment section and say, I am happy I found this channel. Don't be surprised, I may be reaching out to you to win a gift from me. So let's get into the main. You know, every time I talk about how to make money in this channel, I am always focused on the US stock market, and that is because I get a lot of results. Now let's get into the stock market charts, and I will show you exactly how you can collect just with your phone. You don't need anything at all. Just play the game as I have shown you. I'll be showing you two stocks today that can change your life, that can earn you $100 just like that. Are you ready? So this is the first stock I'm going to be talking about. The stock is about to go high in the next few weeks. Trust me when I say this. This is one of the stocks that in my community, we are keeping it under our radar. Okay, so currently you will see that for the past 1 month, can you see Tesla has moved from $265 down to $180. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how it has dropped? And currently, we are watching this particular stock to see if it will break this range. Okay, you can see there's a gap here. Between here and here, there's a gap. So what we are doing is this. We are watching to see if this stock can break lower and get to 170 or 165. And that is where we'll be grabbing it. So take for instance, you get this stock at 170. You just bought one share and you just wait for this stock to go to 260. This stock can actually run to 300, but let us assume that you allow it to go back to the previous high level. 170, 260. This means you're making $90 for that singular move. This is amazing, right? And the beautiful thing is that you don't even need to do anything. So what we are doing in the community is that we started buying this stock from 180. You can buy what we call fractional shares. So fractional shares is when you have just about maybe $10 you can buy. You have another $20 you buy. You have $5 you buy. So each time you buy, it is called dollar cost average. So you're getting them at different prices, maybe 170, 165, 180, 190. At the end of the day, you will get the average of all of them. So this is our number one stock, and you need to keep it in your radar if you want to make some free money. Let me show you the second stock. The second stock is called ExxonMobil. I'm sure you know ExxonMobil is an oil company stock and is doing so well. The beautiful thing about this stock is that they pay dividends. As a matter of fact, they pay dividends 4 times in a year. And while the stock is growing and you're making money, you are also making money when they pay you your dividends. Remember, I told us that for you to earn your dividends, you must own shares in the company and you must buy the shares before what we call the ex-dividend date. So you have to buy it ahead of time so you'll be able to qualify for that particular quarter. So this is the very interesting thing. This particular stock, let me show you what has happened the last 1 month. The stock has been dropping and it touched 95.77. So this is a stock that we are bought at around 96. And you can see as at today, the stock is at 104. Now, we do something different with this stock. We have a certain buy zone and we have a sell point. So what we do is that we get this stock at 96, within 96 to 98, and then we sell the stock from 118. So this means, and remember, this particular stock can actually go lower. This stock can actually go lower. So if it goes lower, we can actually buy more. But let us assume you got it at 95 and you are selling at 120. You got it at 95 and you want to sell at 120. So if you had bought 2 shares, that means you would have made for yourself $50. Just $50 by buying 2 shares. This is amazing, right? So there are different ways you can actually make money in the stock market. I am just showing you what I call the sleep well at night stocks that work well for busy people. So if you're the kind of person who does not have time to study the chart every blessed day, like going in to see what is going on, that is one of the reasons why you should be in the community. So you know the right time to buy and the right time to sell. But just following this particular information I've given right now, you can actually make money. I'm showing you how you can make some money in dollars. And remember, this is 100,000 plus that you're getting in freebie. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment. Like I said, I might just be sharing a gift to one lucky person whose comment is very creative. And I hope to see you in the next video where I will share with you more interesting things you need to know in the stock market.